What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best starter compound bow. I have made this list based on material, color, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Bear Archery Cruiser G2 Compound Bow. When working with our archery instructors to determine our best overall pick for starter compound bows, the Bear Cruiser G2 was very close second to the Diamond Infinity Edge Pro. It has almost the same range of extreme adjustable as the Infinity Edge Pro, and it is made by a company that was started by the late great bow hunter Fred Bear. This high-tech compound bow can be adjusted to fit just about any draw length and any draw weight between 5 and 70 pounds. The bow is intended as a starter set that will grow with the shooter over many years and is very capable of going from target shooting to deer hunting as the archer becomes more experienced. Number 2. Diamond Edge 320 Compound Bow. This bow is a step above the top two and is also a truly hunt-ready package that includes arrows, a soft case, and a bow release. Everything that you need to get started except a high-quality archery target. It features the same massive range of adjustability to fit any archer and is slightly heavier and faster than our top 2 recommendations. If you are looking for the best bow for a beginner deer hunter that is capable of growing with him or her as they age and improve their skill level, you will not find a better, more durable option that will last for years than the Diamond Edge 320. The Diamond Edge 320 compound bow is a smooth shooting bow that is ideal for beginner and expert hunters alike. Number 3. Bear Archery Royale Youth Compound Bow. The Bear Royale Compound Bow is a scaled-down bow that is designed specifically for smaller hunters. It is ideal for youth archers and for women archers. It features extreme adjustability like most of the bows that we have featured, but on a smaller scale. While it is not quite as powerful as our other top picks, it still produces plenty of kinetic energy to be used for deer hunting on its highest settings. Bear Archery call this a ready-to-hunt package, but again it does not include arrows or a bow release. Another downside, this bow only features a 75% let-off, which is better than the Cruiser G2 at 70%, but not as good as our top picks, 80% on the Infinity Edge Pro and 85% let-off for the Edge 320. Number 4. PSE Uprising Compound Bow. The PSE Uprising is a high-quality entry-level hunting bow that is perfect for women and is available at a price that doesn't break the bank. The Uprising has a lot of adjustability, however not as much as some of our other recommendations, with a draw weight range of 12 to 72 pounds and an adjustable draw length of 14 inch to 30. This high-performance hunting bow will fit any woman out there. What we really like about this bow is its compact size at only 30 inch axle to axle and its light weight at only 3.2 pounds. It is very smooth drawing and quiet shooting for a bow that produces up to 310 feet per second. The compact size is ideal for tree stand or ground blind hunting, allowing you to move with the bow and not bumping into anything around you. Number 5. PSE Stinger Max Compound Bow. As you might be able to tell, we are big fans of PSE Archery, and the PSE Stinger Max is one of the top-selling compound bows of all time, so we thought it deserved a spot in our roundup. The Stinger Max is a high-end entry-level bow, but it does not have the same extreme adjustability as our top picks. This one has a draw weight that is adjustable from 30 to 70 pounds, which should be sufficient for all but the smallest kids and women. The adjustable draw length will go from 21 inch 30. So again, this bow will not fit small kids, but is ideal for most men and a good number of women. One of our favorite features on the Stinger Max is the 80% let-off, which all hunters will enjoy when waiting for that white-tailed deer to turn and give you a broadside shot. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, Please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will